Teacher's Night. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to do moonwalk. So I'm going to do it one time to you guys first. Look. So moonwalk is easy, but you need socks and a slippery floor. If the floor is not slippery enough, you can't slide your leg. So you need to get your right leg up and slide your left leg back. So it's like this, together. And you need to switch it like this. And you slide your right leg back. And switch. Okay, so let's practice one time slow. Right leg up, slide left leg, switch. Left leg up, slide the right leg, and you need to do it at the same time. Okay. So let's do it slow together. Okay. Let's practice one more time again. Make sure you balance yourself. If you didn't balance yourself, maybe your leg will drop down like this. So make sure you balance yourself. Okay, let's do it faster this time, okay? So you guys know how to do it now. So let's do it with some music, okay? If you guys practice more, you'll be same like me. And I hope you guys leave a like to this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!